Hello everybody, here's my wife and she's going to be making her miso soup recipe for you guys today. And this is basically just like a tofu soup, but here's all the ingredients and she's going to walk y'all through it step by step. She's going to show y'all how to make it. Here's the first ingredient. It's called soya bean curd or tofu.
This is a Korean tofu. It's softer than the normal one. So we dice it.
It comes in a big block, but she's already diced it into little cubes.
I already cut it. And then some fish sauce. And then miso soup.
What is this?
The miso paste.
Miso paste?
Yeah. Or the dashi. Ay, hindi pala. Miso nga. Miso. Miso. And then some roasted seaweeds.
Some bulgogi snack. Some people just eat those plain like a little chips.
It's not a bulgogi snack.
That's what it says?
It's a seaweed.
Okay, well it says bulgogi snack.
Seaweeds.
Okay, you guys tell me what this is.
It says bulgogi snack, roasted seaweed.
Okay, well some people eat that like a snack, like a chips. They just pull it out and just snack on it. But she's using it for this recipe, which some people does use it in recipes too.
So
I've had this from a restaurant many times and it's so good. So I can't wait to try Kim's recipe for this.
So we need 6 cups of water. Boiled. We're starting to boil it na. So it's boiling naman na. So first we put some paste. We bought this at the supermarket like this na. It's already a paste. And we need to put, for 6 cups of water, we need at least 5 to 6 tablespoons of paste. So there.
I don't know how, but all this stuff comes together very well. I smelled this and it did not smell good at all. I don't like seaweed really plain by itself. It just tastes like the ocean. And tofu has no taste at all. Zero taste. But for some reason you put all these things together in here and it's really good. It's a very delicious soup. Or as they say here, it's masarap. That means delicious or very delicious.
So let's just stir it because we need the paste to dissolve.
Is this a Philippine dish or just like an Asian or Korean or what?
This is a Japanese soup.
It's a Japanese style soup, I guess.
No, it's
Miso.
really a Japanese soup. It's from the Japan. So we need to stir it for like 1 to 2 minutes until it's fully dissolved. Because you don't want to eat like the paste of the miso. So that's why we need it boiling. The water is boiling first before we put the paste. And you can buy it naman at the supermarket that's already paste na. Some of the supermarket you can buy it in powder.
Can you use the powder for this too?
Yeah.
It's about to boil over.
Let's turn the heat down because it's starting to boil.
So you could use the powder if you could find the powder.
Too much, yeah. There's powder, but this one is a paste because it's better than the powder. Because this one, I know that it's gonna taste really miso-y. So normally they put dashi on it.
What is dashi?
Or some of them they put a little flakes, bonito flakes.
I don't know that either. I've never heard dashi or bonito flakes.
On top of the the takoyaki. So for us,
I don't know what that is either. I don't know what takoyaki is.
For us, we're gonna use fish sauce. So just a little lang, maybe a teaspoon.
Okay, so some people use 2 ingredients that I've never heard of and they put it on something else that I've never heard of. But there's that information. If you guys know what she was talking about, then that's great.
dashi is it's a flakes, bonito flakes. And we're not gonna put this. And then we're gonna put a little garlic powder. A little lang. Because we don't want this to taste like taste like garlic.
There's a lot of recipes that I could probably explain the taste to you, but this I can't explain the taste because I really don't know what it tastes like. It just tastes good to me. Sometimes it's clear, like see-through, and sometimes it's a milky color like this. And also, once it cools down, I think a lot of the milky color settles to the bottom.
Yeah, so I have my spoon because I'm gonna taste a little lang. If it tastes,
Is it miso-y?
yeah, miso-y. I can taste the miso. There. Now we put the seaweeds. We don't want to put first the tofu because you can't stir it anymore.
Yeah, this is all information that I didn't know because I can't. This is probably not going to be like the most informative video because I don't know a lot about any of these ingredients. Like, I don't know what would happen if you undercooked or overcooked any of these ingredients, so I can't tell you guys for advice on how to cook it. I guess y'all just have to follow along how she does it.
So bonito flakes, it tastes like a little fishy. I think you already tasted the bonito flakes.
Yeah.
You just don't know it yet. So let it simmer and boil. I'll just wash lang my hands.
So the tofu goes in very last.
Yes, because it cooks very easily.
Can you eat the tofu just like raw how it is right now, or does it have to be cooked?
You have to cook it.
Well, I'm not 100%, but I'm assuming that this is like a vegan dish that like, or vegetarian could eat it. It's all plants. Like there's the seaweed, the tofu, which is like, I think tofu is kind of like a bean paste, ain't it? Sort of. Really not sure on that either, but it's a plant for
So,
sure.
yeah. So let it boil to low heat. And just stir it.
When you said tofu is a soya, did you mean like a soya bean? It's a soybean that they turned into the paste.
Yeah.
So it is basically a bean paste. It's like it's still a plant.
Later we're gonna taste again because we need to get the a little salty taste. But not too much. Diba?
I don't remember it having a salty taste at all, but if you say it had salt, then I'll take your word. You're the professional here.
Yes, it's not gonna taste like miso soup if it's not a little salty. Because there's no taste. So
yeah.
let's boil it.
A lot of the stuff in here doesn't have a lot of taste.
Yeah, but babe, let's boil this for like 1 to 2 minutes.
Before you put in the tofu?
Yes. So we'll be back.
Yeah, I'm gonna cut it here. It's gonna boil for just a couple minutes. We'll be right back. Okay, we're back.
We're gonna put a little salt. Maybe just 1 teaspoon of salt. And the fish sauce for another 1 teaspoon. So 1 teaspoon.
Just gotta eyeball it the good old-fashioned way.
Yeah. The good cooking is just eyeballing lang the the measurement. You don't really need to be a chef to cook. So it will boil again. So since it's just me and Gory,
Is it miso in now?
misui. Misui.
Is it ready
So
for the
we can
tofu?
put the tofu. Wait, I'll just put jalapenos.
If y'all was wondering where all the steam's coming from, it's coming out of the rice cooker here.
So there. We don't need to put the sauce or the water from the tofu. But we're gonna put everything in there.
I think I've went my whole life without trying tofu until last year. I think whenever I was here last year, I tried it.
In
So there-
Japan, you can taste this again.
I don't think I tried it last time we went to Japan. I never had this, I don't think.
It's on the ano. You know, on our date night, on our anniversary day, that day. We
Yeah,
went
I
out.
do remember that. And I remember where we went out to. It was like
The soup
across
that
the
I was
street.
eating there, it's the miso soup. I told you, diba? It's ano. If you're gonna watch again the video, I told you this. I ordered the miso soup because it's cold.
I'm glad you can remember that. That means you got a good memory, but I can't remember what we had at all.
Let's just put
The
it
miso
down.
soup was cold there.
No,
You said it because it's
I
cold.
ordered because it's cold.
Oh,
It's cold.
if y'all haven't seen the video that she's talking about, you could probably find it on one of the playlists.
So it's just-
I'm sure it should be on either not on the wedding videos, but maybe on the Philippine and travel
The
videos
first,
or playlist.
anniversary.
That's whenever we was in Japan. It was our anniversary date night dinner.
I'm not cutting na because since we're gonna eat this naman eh.
These are like kind of a big chunks. Whenever you get it at a restaurant, normally it's very small, little tiny cubes.
Yeah, it's baby. So we will boil this for like 8 minutes.
So you're gonna put the rest of that in there? You're putting it all in there?
Yeah, we put na because we're not gonna use it to anything.
If not, we don't have another recipe that we was planning on using it for. It would just end up going away. So we're gonna go ahead and throw it all in there.
Yeah.
Why not? It's starting to smell miso-y.
Miso.
I guess the tofu is what gives it the smell. Every time that I've tried the tofu in this soup and everything, it doesn't have any taste at all. Like if you pull that little cube out and you just eat that with no soup with it, then there's no taste. You can't even, it's like air. It's just a texture thing. If you don't like the texture, then you probably wouldn't like the soup.
Yeah, so now we're gonna boil it for like 8 minutes. In low heat lang. Because we don't want to burn the miso. The miso paste and the tofu. So, it's low heat. Continue stirring it.
So we're gonna keep stirring this in on low heat, just like she said. We'll be back with y'all in 8 minutes. So y'all stay tuned for the finished product and the taste test. We love y'all. We'll be right back.
Cobb, video
And
lang.
we're back.
So, this is like 10 minutes boiling na. So,
This is what it'll look like after 10 minutes.
yeah, it's done na. So, we can turn off the heat.
It looks like the tofu doesn't change with the heat or anything like that. I guess the texture probably doesn't change either, does it?
Yeah, but it's still very soft naman.
Like if you cook it for 20 minutes or you cook it for 5 minutes, it's still going to be the same stiffness.
Yeah. And actually, it's not stiff. Look.
No, I meant like it's going to be the same texture no matter how long you cook it.
Yeah.
I didn't say it was stiff. I meant the same stiffness,
Oh, yeah.
like the level of how stiff it is.
So, we're done na. We're done na on our miso soup.
It looks really good, guys. Are you going to do a taste test for him?
Yeah, maybe later because I'm hungry. So
You're not going to try it for him?
Huh?
You're not going to try it for him on the video?
You want me to try now? Okay.
Yeah, do a little taste test for them that's watching.
Okay, let's get big chunks. With soup and I can't get, so I'll just do this.
There's a little bit of soup, a little seaweed, a little tofu, a little miso.
Yeah, so we're gonna taste. It's very hot. It's very hot. So hot.
Is it miso-y?
Mm.
It's too hot. You should let it cool a little bit more. Sorry, guys. I pressured her into taking a bite for you guys, and
Yeah, it's hot. Look, it's still.
now I feel bad because she got burned with it.
Yeah, but it's hot. It's really good. Not as good as the syempre, the Japanese style, but this is like the same recipe on how you do it. So that's it. We're gonna eat.
I guess that's all for this one. I hope y'all enjoyed Kim's miso soup recipe. I know I definitely enjoyed it, and I'm about to enjoy it even more here in a minute when I'm eating some. We love y'all. God bless y'all. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next one.
Bye bye.
I love y'all.